Yes, indeed, show the numbers. Brother Wu, you said to keep it simple, and Mr. Thiel from the 6th grade who bitched me out about being able to show my work. I really couldn't show my work back then, and I'm really finding it hard today. I just want to make this point. Ricky, the guitarist for a band called Misanthrope, excellent band, out of the Hawthorne district of Portland, said to me, "You're a savant." And I think that really fits it. So let's go ahead and show the numbers. Per the 2000 U.S. Census, there were 209,128,094 adults living in America. Easy math, we sandbag. We get rid of the 9,288,000 or 188,094 to come out with a straight basic number of 200 million. Boy, I need to fix my numbers there. Anyway, I caught that. I need to fix that. So anyway, you subtract 80%, which is 160 million, which leaves us with 20% of the adults in America that they say apparently smoke pot, which is 40 million. Now, I think that the 20% is actually a sandbag as well, but you got the numbers there. Monthly usage levels, MULs. MUL1 comes in at a gram a month. Arbitrarily, subjective, but we're trying to be fair here. 8 million users per monthly usage level times 5 levels equals to 40 million users. So we're dividing it up evenly. MUL1, a gram a month. And once again, people are not going to consume the same amounts as each other. Some people drink more than others. Some people eat more than others. Some people shop more than others. Some people smoke buds more than others. Believe me. So MUL2 is an eighth a month. MUL3 are those who smoke a quarter a month. MUL4 is someone who does a half a month, probably picked up a half on the month, so you'd have 4/8 during the month. And MUL5 is someone who's smoking an ounce a month or consuming an ounce a month. Anything over an ounce a month is going to take a doctor's orders. And part of the reason that is that we're not looking to put buds on the street per se. We want to keep the quantities way down so that there's no incentive to, hey, let's buy some buds and sell them to kids. It just isn't going to happen. Plus, if you're smoking more than an ounce a month, you really need to have yourself reevaluated for some different kinds of pain management options. With that said, there you go, the MULs. Now, out of those 40 million Americans, what we're doing is we're dividing it by 5 monthly usage levels. That comes out to 8 million per usage level or monthly usage level. And then, out of that 8 million, just to help try to be even fairer and disperse it, so to speak, we're dividing the 8 million by the 10 different potency levels, and this comes out to 800,000 per potency level / monthly usage level combined. Okay, projected revenues table number 1. We have the PL combined with the monthly usage level. So, PL level of 1 and monthly usage level of a gram is not applicable. We're not looking at those numbers. What we are trying to do, though, is basically isolate how much money we're going to make, huh? Okay, so we go across MUL2, combine with PL2. These are all in millions. We're looking about 2.5 million a month. We go across PL6. Go ahead and pause your DVD player or whatever you're watching this on and pull up the schedule for yourself and write it down. In the end, PL10, for example. PL10, monthly usage level of 5. There's enough people out there to bring us 360 million per month. The grand total, by the way, comes out to $3,476,520,000 a month in revenues generated from the monthly smokers. This is projected revenues table number 2. What we did is we took the monthly usage level. This is the projected revenue. For example, MUL1 came to 63 million a year. This is all in millions. Times the 12 months to find a projected annual revenue for each, and then to find a total all the way across the board. So, for example, monthly usage level 1 over a year is projected at 762 plus million. Monthly usage level 5 is at 21,840,000,000. When you add it all up, all the monthly usage levels combined for a year, we're coming into $41,712,624,000. But do the numbers jive? Let's look at the next table. Okay, the next table, projected revenues, table 3. We're looking for the projected annual revenues. Once again, do our numbers jive? We just looked at it from the most monthly usage levels, 1 through 5. Now let's look at it through the potency levels, 1 through 10. Potency level 1, we're expecting $37.5 million a year. If we're lucky, times 12 comes to $450 million a year. By the time we get down to potency level 10, which a lot of people I'm sure will enjoy, we're looking at $687.696 million per month. Times 12 comes to $8,252,352,000 a year. So the totals, the $3,476,052,000 per month jives. The numbers jive. It comes into $41,712,624,000. As your teacher used to say, check your math, double check it, compare it. Everything else, we just checked the math, we compared it, and we got the number. It matches. You have no idea how good that made me feel when I first did that.